What? Buludek man. Good day, everyone. While doing untranslatable words in Tagalog, might as well do it in Ilocano. So, let's start today, and for our first word, man. Man in Ilocano is the equivalent word of the Tagalog word nga, which is used to make request. If you're going to say something and you want it to sound more of a request but less of a command, in Tagalog, we use nga. And in Ilocano, that is man. Let's have examples. Kitaem man. Kitaem man. In Tagalog, tignan mo nga. Kitaem man. Another one. Lukatam man. Lukatam man. In Tagalog, buksan mo nga. Buksan mo nga. Lukatam man. Aguray ka man bassit. Aguray ka man bassit. Tagalog, mama.
Tay ka nga sandali.
Maghintay ka nga sandali. Aguray ka man bassit. Last example. Is this your pen, mama? What? Buludek man. Buludek man. Can I borrow it? Pahiram nga. Buludek man.